Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to support the demands for grants relating to the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The Prime Minister has realized it very well that education is very important for the development of the country, and that is why he has given great importance to educational reforms. In present age of science and technology, so many internal and external challenges are before us, and we can face them only through education. The education and the development are not two separate things but are supplementary to each other. Education brings awareness in the society, and the social and economic development is linked with it. Education plays an important role in the social, economic, cultural, and political activities. The human knowledge has been continuously increasing since the beginning of education age. In the modern age of education, the human knowledge is increasing many-fold after every 10 years. Great stress has therefore been laid on the education of all sections of the society so as to promote national unity. When ignorance is removed, the country will automatically become united. India will again become a great power, and mutual exchange of our cultural views will strengthen our national unity. It is necessary because our ancient culture and civilization are exciting, and the development of science and technology is taking place. But we must not forget our ancient culture. As per the statement of the Prime Minister, we have to follow it blindly, but we have got to understand and make its use for the welfare of the country. After the implementation of new education policy, and with the cooperation of all citizens, the country will progress rapidly. To impart education, our ancestors adopted Sanskrit as medium, but during the British period, the medium of instruction was English. During both these periods, knowledge could not reach the common people because the language of masses and the language through which knowledge was imparted were different. Today, it is the age of computer, and we will have to do much more to make use of it. We will have to make many new inventions and discoveries to take this knowledge to our people. Today, we want to make the schools as the instruction of development. It is a good opportunity for the rural students to improve their education through the schools and make progress. They will achieve much more through our schools.